Vuga, back to life!
Back to life!
Amahoro!
Amahoro!
Happy people!
Happy people!
Hello ODL viewers, welcome again to another episode. Today I visited BUTERERE. So we are going towards, this street is taking us to the city dump because that's what BUTERERE is mostly known for. The city dump, like it's a huge landscape of whatever is dumped from households in the whole city. This is where you find it. And then, as you know, places like this of course will have a lot of children. Even the mission that we've just visited, the mission we are visiting this side, is dedicated to removing children from this place, and so that they can take them and give them another lease of life, a positive life. So you can see now I'm filming where they take these children from, because the mission is based here in this community. So when I'm talking about the city dump and you haven't seen it, it will be difficult. So as a viewer, I wanted to show you the massive landscape of this dump so that you know exactly when Nick is talking about the kids that they rescue from here and take them to their base where they are talking about. So here we are. Mostly it's plastic bottles. Yeah. So Nick, how big do you think this dump is?
Oh, I guess in Canada we measure everything in acres.
Yeah.
Acres upon acres of waste. All over here. By some mysterious forces, it gets moved from one place to another. There's obviously trucks always coming in. And then there's people who are, I guess, trying to technically, I guess, be sustainable, but of course it's a terrible way to be sustainable. And yeah, there's a lot of people here. Of course, this place is more or less empty, but as we can go down further. Do you want to come up? Do you want to come up?
Where do you pass?
Sorry?
Where do you pass when you are going up?
No, just
Oh, okay, let's
just
go.
go for a walk and see
Okay.
the whole landscape.
Okay.
But yeah, this is where a lot of, honestly, just about all of the kids came from. This is where they've been growing up, where they've been living, and where the conditions that we want to take them away from, because this is obviously no place for kids. You have broken hearts here, you have toxic fumes here, you have diseases coming, you have, I don't know what else could possibly be over here, and obviously this is no place for kids, this is no place for people at all, and we try to help these people as much as we possibly can.
Okay. So this is mostly, so the kids here are taking the dumps, the plastic bottles, as you can see. So plastic bottles, they are putting them together maybe for recycling. Nisawa. Hey. So yeah, you can continue showing me. Okay.
This is a spring or concern. Yeah, this is the overall landscape. Obviously, this place is always growing, always expanding.
Okay.
At the moment, it's obviously expanding over. Always more trucks coming in, and so obviously that place is a little bit more lively with people and with smoke. But yeah, again, there's people just about everywhere around here.
Let me zoom in. So this is in the middle of BUTERERE. It's in the middle of a community because I can see houses. So it's a full community, but this area was dedicated to a dump site.
Yeah, it's a strange sight to see a brand new building that is being built with beautiful new walls. It's located right next door to the
I myself live here in Burundi, but had never come here. Yeah, it's so strange that yeah, there is a lot happening, but you are unaware. So it's also a lesson for me learned. Not that we are showing bad things only, but this is you know, the logic was to show you the kids. So I'm afraid to approach. What do you do when you if you can approach those people? What will be the repercussions?
I mean, honestly, I don't know. Usually people are pretty friendly, but again, everyone is a little bit camera reprehensive, so you obviously have to be careful sometimes. We do come here on a fairly regular basis, at least once a month, because we try to, as a way to do community outreach, we come over here, we collect a total of usually 300 kids. So 200 come from here, 100 come from our community, and those people, we just give them food, we give them fruits, we give them candy, and this is just one of our ways to do community outreach. Okay, we have a new visitor here.
Okay, all right.
So
so children, they know you here, but huh? They know you.
Well, yeah, to the best of my abilities. Of course, I'm not able to talk to the kids, but most of them know
Kirundi.
Yes, Kirundi is a language that is not spoken a lot, so it's not a language I can speak very well. But at least they know my name, at least they know my face, and they're excited to see me. At least some of them are.
Okay.
Some of them I still haven't had a chance to meet with personally yet.
All right. Thank you very much for showing us the background of why Back to Life was created and was funded. So was began. So it's yeah. Cities like this do exist in India, in other in other global, in other big cities. So it's not only for Bujumbura or Burundi. So it's not something to particular to Burundi. But what you are doing, taking these kids away from this place and taking them to school, giving them a chance at a future, a better future, it's something to be commended. So thank you again for bringing me here. Okay. Kids there, maybe they'll be willing to, yeah, they'll be willing to talk more than these adults.
the street. They're constantly screaming my name. But right now, these kids will be screaming my name.
Oya, aha. Nani mumuzi Nikita? Ni mumuzi? Oya, ahora baha. Yarabahaye. Nikita yarabahaye umuceri reka kubesha. Ni sawa? Urakomeye? Witwa nde? Witwa nde? Keve, urakomeye? Oya, Keve, urakomeye? Wewe witwa nde? Inde? Rengana. Oya rengana mama. Twe twariko tura.
Fasha mubafasha. Utamurabafasha n'abangaha. Ntacyo bamaze. Bana bangaha ay. Batunzwe n'iyarara. Wabona kandi baba bawe.
N'abana bawe? N'amahasa? Yo, reka basi ndabarabe nanje ndi mama w'amahasa.
Abana biwanje ba. Ubu ni butoyi, ubu ni bukuru.
None byagenze gute ngo wisange ngaha mama?
None kashako uko umuntu yababyagize ko yashiye. Cyo sigarandi umwe cyandungwa ni setemu. Ntigutukara ngaha. Nkabarondera ngaha. Aha ngiye kwicara hariya hejuru kwenda unosi umwe.
Ego, ucisubirayo. Ego.
Uko bimeze.
Witwa mama nde basi nzoze kukurondera uwundi munsi. Mama Sentia. Mbajije barakumenya mama bawiri mama Sentia.
Cyangwa mama vya Mungu.
Mama vya Mungu. Uba ngaha kumubone?
Uba ngaha muri ntudeya aha muri
Mugaruro.
Mubone.
Yakangaye.
Mubone ya gatatu.
Okay. Mama vya Mungu afisa amahasa. Yego. Sawa murakoze. Genda umwonse ariko ararira. Yego. Abana ni sawa? None ni mumpe ikiganiro muri kumwe na Niki. Ni mumpe ikiganiro kandi mumuzi Niki ni mumpe ikiganiro. Nick, you refuse to. They say they are claiming you didn't give them rice. What happened? Explain yourself.
Yeah, I don't know. I mean, you would need to show me some footage of that because I am known as a very generous person.
No, they said one day you took them to give them rice, but they didn't get.
I mean,
but they know you. Everyone is saying Nikita. Muramuzi Nikita? Nikita ahora agira iki? Ahora agira iki? Ahora bagirira iki Nikita? Ahora bakorera iki? Ahora bagirira umunsi mukuru. Akaza kubatora ngaha. Mugaca muja he? Kujya? None musanzwe mukora iki ngaha?
Dutora amakara, icyuma,
hama mugaca mubikoresha iki?
turabigurisha amakara yose.
Rasyo nimwe mujejwe none kugaburira imiryango yanyu kandi muri abana?
Turababa.
None ntimuja kwishuri? Ntimuja kwishuri?
Techo byabafasha mu kibani kwa gatandatu.
None ntibyari bikenewe ko mubandanya ishuri? Mugabo urumva ntibashobora kuraza abana bose mwabonye ko ari hato? Mwari mwifuza abandi bantu bagira ibigo nka bijya?
Dushaka mu kwicenda ariko yapfuye.
Okay. Urumva bagira ikigo kinini? N'amashure muce mwiga ku buntu. Baze barabaronderera n'ibindi bintu mukeneye. Mwiga imyuga. Okay. None mubona abana ni ngaha kuri setemu ni benshi? Ni benshi cyane.
Mutubyame kora turayifise.
Okay. Oya uvuze barakumva ntukeneye mikro barakumva. Wewe witwa nde rero?
Keza Kimana Berize.
Keza Kimana Berize ufise imyaka ingahe?
12.
12 uvukana n'abana bangahe?
Ababaye babiri.
Babiri.
Mwene yarapfa.
Yego. Urafise abavyeyi? Bose.
Gusa papa,
Mama gusa?
papa yarapfa.
None ucubaho gute mubahe?
Tubaha bya Nyarumanga.
Nyami?
Nyarumanga.
Okay. None watanguye kuza gutora ibintu ngaha gute? Ninde yabikwigishije kuza gutora ibintu ngaha?
Je naritanguye imyaka. Twatoragura ngaha tukorotsa tukarya.
None mutora ibiki n'ibiki muja kugurisha?
Ibyuma, ibikorosa, amakara tukagurisha akadobo kuri bitatu. Aca turabibyo
Mugabo nta bintu bibi mukora nko kunywa ibiyayuramutwe canke kwiba? Oya. Mwe munatora gusa ibikenewe ibyo bataye hariya. Okay. Mugabo ubu buzima si bwiza? Murakeneye kubuvamo? Okay. Nanje nitwa Dalila nimpagaritse ndi umumama w'abana 5. Urumva mba hariya mu Kinindo. Siko? Nari naje rero kuraba kwa Nikita na Bova ndabaho bakorera. Oya yaragiye mu Burusiya azogaruka. Nari ngomba rero ndabe hano hantu kuko yambwiye ko kenshi abana baza ngaha kubaraba ngaha. Yego. Reka ndabe ndabafotora ifoto. Mugume ngaho. Guma ngaho. Stay there, I take a photo. Yes, Nick, you wanted to show us something else?
Yeah, I mean, obviously our mission is always growing, it's always expanding. We're always trying to find new and meaningful ways to improve the quality of life of the kids in our care. And so one of the latest additions was this school over here. It's done with our mission, with a collaboration with another Russian mission. And so, yeah, we rented this property. We've started doing renovations, and hopefully in a couple months, in a month and a half, this will be a fully functioning school that is supporting at the start of about 100 kids, and then from there we'll see.
Primary school?
Yeah, mostly just primary. Again,
Do you call it elementary in the Western?
Technically, yeah, it would be that. It would be grades 1 through 7, 1 through 8. Where I'm not personally quite sure, but the organizers got it all figured out.
Okay, can you show us?
Yeah, I mean, of course. It's under construction. There's a lot of construction workers over there right now. But yeah, there's some development that's going to become. Got a fancy new gate here. Coming inside, we obviously got all the classrooms, large windows that have recently been installed for all the kids to study, for it all to be well ventilated. In the meantime, we're trying to organize, all the desks to be here, all the office spaces to be here, all the storages. We're trying to set up the bathrooms and the showers so that everything that kids can possibly need to study well, to study hard, to be successful can all be in place for them to have a good mission.
So you provide free education? No, they won't be paying school fees?
The kids, no, but again, that means that somebody else has to. So again, we are working with another mission, with another association, and so that association will be raising its own funds in order to provide education, in order to hire staff, in order to provide uniforms and everything else for the kids.
Okay. Kids are only in this community of Mubone? Or kids can come from anywhere else?
I mean, again, first and foremost, this is a local mission for Mobone. This is a local mission for the city dump that we're trying to take kids away from. So the first priority is to find among them kids that need it the most. And based on our facilities, based on our abilities, we try to provide them with the best future that we possibly can.
Okay.
trying to take them from the lowest that they are at in their life to the highest that they can possibly be.
Yes. So yes, maybe I'll revisit when the school year starts. When are you hoping to open this? To
Again,
this
right
school?
now the plan is to make it all happen by this September. So as you can see, we have a lot of workers. We have a lot of activity always going on, trying to get this prepared on the legal level, trying to get this prepared on the facilities level, getting this prepared on the staff level, and in every way possible, the work is going and the work is happening.
Okay. So I'll come back in September, although you'll be gone back to Canada. Maybe see the school, the new school. You'll leave a contact with me where I can come back and speak to someone when the school year starts.
Yeah, for sure.
Yes,
Sure,
in
it would be very
September.
exciting.
Yes, it will be very exciting to see. Yeah. So these are the classrooms. So you said it's from grade what?
From grade 1 to grade 7 is the plan.
Yeah, they call it foundation phase. Yes. It's école fondamentale will have until grade 9. But if it's until grade 7, it's then a foundation phase. Maybe probably they will add to make it a full fundamental education and then move, because when you come from fundamental, then you go to 11e, 12e, 13e, première, and then you write your government exam. That's how I know. And then you are admitted to the university of your choice. So you are providing the foundation phase.
Yeah.
And I'm sure it's gonna be a good school, well equipped and full of good educational
And
materials.
hopefully all the kids that we have over here can become this country's future economists, future engineers, future
Yes.
architects, future doctors. Again, this is the little part that we can do in their journey in life.
Yes, so you never know. Kids' future is unpredictable. And whenever you see someone from a humble beginning, a humble neighborhood like this, and tomorrow they are bigger people, that's where they come back and give back and change lives. And because they have themselves been touched. So we are touched to touch others. And that's the cycle of life.
Yeah, for
yes.
sure. And maybe
Thank
they
you.
can touch somebody too, and
Yes.
again, grow up themselves,
Yeah.
and make a mission like this themselves, and find another struggling neighborhood here in Burundi or anywhere else in the world, and make another similar mission, and again, themselves make a small difference that they can possibly make.
You're a global citizen, Nick, and I'm so happy to have met you. Let me take a picture with you as a souvenir.
Yeah, for
I hope
sure.
we meet again.
For sure, sounds
So
good.
thank you very much.